Hello friends, my name is Rahul Jaiswal and today I am going to discuss you knowing your numbers, that is the first lesson of class 6. So in this chapter I will be discussing the topics. First topic is the what is the number system. Second topic is the what is the Indian number system. Third topic is what is the international number system. Fourth topic, when we already have Indian number system, then what is the need of studying international number system? And after that, I will discuss that comparison of both number system. And next topic will be discussion of just a few examples of the this exercise. So first of all, you need to know what is the number system. So number system is a system, a way, the way we used to read a combination of digit. For example, if you talk about English, so in English you have alphabets, and combination of alphabets going to be make a words. So how you are going to read the combination of the alphabet, that is the word. So for example, in English there is just alphabet C A T. So if you combine these CAT, then it's going to be cat. So same way, if there are more than one combination of more than one digits, it for example 2 or 3. So how you are going to read that number is our number system. So the way we read a combination of digits in India and other countries, it's a different. So it's how we used to read a combination of digit in India. It's a Indian number system. So Indian number system is followed in Indian subcontinent, for example, India, Nepal, Maldives, and Sri Lanka. It might be some other countries as well, but as far as I know, I think it follows in these countries. So in Indian number system is there is only one digit, that is the from 1 to 9. So it's only one digit. So we used to call it's a ones place digit, or it's only single digit. But if number is great, number of digits in a number is greater than 1, that is the 2. So we call it from 10 to 99. And in this digit, it means in this number, first digit is our ones place digit, and second place, so this is our first digit is ones place, and second digit is tens place. And if there are three digit in a number, so it's going to be, for example, 100, so it's 100. So first digit is our ones place, second digit is tens place, and third place is 100. So if there are four digit, for example 1 0 0 0, so it's 1000. If there are five digit, for example 1 5 4 4 times 0, so it's 10,000. So again, after 10,000 in Indian system there is a lakh. If after lakh there is 10 lakh, after 10 lakh there is crore, and after crore there is 10 crore. So if we want to number in 10 crores, so for example this is first digit of our ones place, then it's tens, then 100, 1000, it's 10,000, then next digit is lakh, then next digit is 10 lakh, again crore, and 10 crore. So if you want to read the number according to Indian number system, so you need to uh, keep it this table in the mind. It, for example, first digit ones place, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 lakh. If you if you remember all this SS of digits, then you can easily read the number according to Indian number system. So now let's move to international number system. So international number system is followed in the most of the countries of the world. And according to this, if you want to read the number, so in Indian international system, first digit is our ones place, that is the same as Indian system. Now second digit is from 10 to 99, that is the again same as the Indian system. Then if there are three digit, 100, it's again same as in Indian system. If 1 0 0 0, that is the 1000, it's again same as Indian system. If 1 and 4 times 0, then it's 10,000, again same as Indian system. Now difference starts from 100,000. So in Indian system, after 10,000 we are going to read a lakh, but in Indian international system, after 10,000 it's going to be 100,000, then million, 10 million, and 100 million. So if you want to read the number according to international number system, so you need to keep this sequence of digits places. So first digit is ones place, then tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. So if you remember this sequence, then you can easily read number according to international system as well. Read as well as understand it. So now next topic is, when we already have Indian system, then what is the need of studying international system? So for example, there is one guy, that is John, who is from the USA, and there is another guy, that is the Aditya, who is from the India. Now Aditya is in from India, so he knows everything about Indian number system, that is the lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and all this thing. And John is the from USA, so he know everything about the international system, because he is living in the USA. It can be same as a way, if you are in living in India, then you know Hindi, and if you are living in the USA, someone is living in the USA, so he know English. Same way, if you are in India, so you are familiar with the Indian number system, and John is in USA, so he is familiar in the with the international number system. Now suppose Aditya grown up and started some business, mobile business, and he want to purchase some around 10 lakhs of mobile from the USA. So 10 lakh, because Aditya is the from India, so he know about 10 lakhs is the some number according to Indian. But John is the from USA, so he don't know about 10 lakhs. So to have a proper communication, we need to study. It means we, or we can say Aditya, need to have understanding of international number system, because it is followed in the most of the country. So Aditya need to tell things, what tell number what is going to be purchased to John according to international system. So that is the reason we need to have understanding of international number system. For example, if in future someone goes to some other countries, so he can communicate the number that he want to purchase, yeah, whatever, it means whatever according to requirement. Now next topic to discuss is comparison of the both number system we studied. So if you compare both number system, then you will see that both number system are same till 10,000. It means once is same in Indian system as well as international system. For example, one is same is one in India as well as in other countries, for example USA. So number between, the way we study number between 10 to 99 is also same. So 100,000, 10,000. But after 10,000 in India it's lakh, and in international it's 100,000. So in India 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 in international system. So again, 10 lakh according to Indian number system is same as 1 million according to international system. 1 crore according to Indian number system is same as 10 million according to international number system. Again, 10 crore according to Indian number system is same as 100 million according to international number system. So now let's move to some, and one more thing, that is the different record in Indian system and international system, that is the way we place comma in number. So in Indian system we place comma first after three digit, that is from right, and after two digit, two digit, two digit. But in Indian international system, we place comma after three digit, again three digit, and again three digit. That is the need to place from right to left. So now let's move to problem solving question. So before moving to book exercise, I am just going to give you some example of my own. So for example, that is the similar to book exercise. So 100 equals to blank tens. So this is the filling the blank exercise. So it you can consider how many 10 notes going to make hundreds. So it's just the same question. It means how many 10 notes will make 100. So if you write first 100, so according to 100 it means Indian system, or you can say international system as well, because both are same till 100. So 100 will be 100. So now if you write to need to write 10, so 10 is 10. So this is our 100 and this is our 10. Now if you look here, so 10 is 10 times smaller than 100. So here our 10 is 10 times smaller than 100. So we can say that 10 times 10 will make 100. So our answer is 10. So now let's move to next question. So 1000 equals to blank 10. So 1000 if you write here according to number system, so 1000 will be uh, 0 0 0. So it if number is still here, so it's 100. After 100 it's going to be 1000. So 1000 will be 1000. Now 10. So 10 is only 1 and 0. So if you see here, so difference is of 100 times. So you can say that 100 times 10 make a 1000. So our answer here is 100. Now let's move to book exercise. So here is question 1 lakh equal to 10,000. So first of all we need to write 1 lakh according to number system. So this is our ones place, this is our thousand, this is our 100, this is our 10,000, sorry, thousand place, this is our 10,000 place, and this is our lakh place. So if you write lakhs, so it will be 1000000. Now we need to write 10,000. So if you write 10,000, so this is our 10,000 column. So just below this write 1 and all there will be 0. So this is our 1000 column. So just write here 10 and other remaining 0. So if you compare both numbers, so 10,000 is 10 times smaller than 1 lakh. So here again our now answer will be 10. So now next question is our 1 million blank equals to 100,000. So now let's write 1 million according to number system. So again this is 1 million is our international system. So ones, tens, 100, this is our 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and now this million. Now just we need to write 100,000 as well. So if we write 100,000, so it's going to be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So this is the our thousand portion. So now in thousand portion we need to write 100. So we have written here 1000. Now all other here will be 0. So if you compare 100,000 with million, so it's again 10 times smaller. So here again answer will be our 10. So if you move to next question, so here question is 1 crore blank 10 lakhs. So if we write 1 crore according to number system, so here will be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So this is our thousand portion, lakh, 10 lakh, and here crore. So if we write, so 100 all will be 0. Now let's write 10 lakhs. So again this is our lakh portion. So in lakh portion we have written 10, it means it's 10 lakhs, so we written 10 and all here will be 0. So if you compare 10 lakh with 1 crore, so you can see that it's again 10 times smaller. Same way if you compare 1 crore to million, so 1 crore is our according to Indian number system. So we have written ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So this is our thousand portion. Lakh, 10 lakh. So this is our 10 lakh, and here it's crore. So we have written here 1 crore. Now million. So million is our according to international number system. So we need to write million with starting with same position. So ones, tens, hundreds, this is our thousand and 10,000. So this is our 10,000. Now in international system after 10,000 it's become 100,000. So it's our 100,000. Now it's 1 million. So if we compare 1 million to 1 crore, so it's again 10 times smaller. So answer will be our 10. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe to channel. And in video, if you have any doubt, then please let me in the comment section of video. And also let me know if you want to make me to video on some other topic of maths.